Okay. Alright, what's gonna happen right now? We are gonna the gate is closed right there. So we're gonna go on the zip line. Is that okay with you guys? Sure. Are you sure? Okay, who's gonna go first? The zip line. You guys go on like this, you'll sit here, you'll put it and you'll slide down.
Really? Yeah, we wanna do it. Yeah. Oh nee. Und welche Alternative? No.
I'm kidding. I'm joking.
Das war ein Witz, ne? Ja.
So we're here in Portland, Jamaica. Permanent the artist taking these beautiful ladies on a tour. Welcome to Jamaica.
Hello.
Welcome. And there's another lady left. Let's see how far she at. You alright? Slippery.
Yes. Slippery.
Welcome to Jamaica. Artist. Let's you don't show them. Here your voice out.
Yeah man, a rehearsal.
Rehearsal.
Yeah. Man, rehearsal. You see TK ready himself for official. Yeah man, just put that one up on YouTube.
This name?
TK ready himself man, My Life on YouTube man, check it out. Just type in TK My Life and we know say I'm me.
Get him something, get him something, get him something.
Alright, tell him. Yeah. We had Portland, reach Portland, we are tour.
These girls want millions, these girls want billions, these girls want trillions, these girls want permanent, they need my perma strength. The girls them love me, cause I give money. Me give her Jamaica, yeah, now she want Hollywood. Me give her Jamaica, now she want, yeah she want, yeah. Me give her Jamaica, yeah, now she want Hollywood, yeah. Me give her Jamaica, now she want, yeah she want, give her Hollywood. Cause it's a state of mind, she pays me Jamaican time.
It's not like say, we just spoke them a page me, cause them see what we do want to say. We are people that want to reach somewhere, so them I send text straight say, permanent, can you take us to the fast? So you're rolling, that's what happening right now.
Good.
So, yeah.
It's a good blow.
She's a permanent, just a kind. She want to get all you all the time. But.
Jamaica, now she want, yeah she want. She me say every girl of mine, them go get bad mind. Call the police same time, girl think on a crime. King Solomon set it in 9 time. That's why me a girl is long time. Look how the girl them a wine, she a bubble up.
Real Jamaican coconut, the hard one.
You me want mine, permanent in 9 prime. Yeah, me give her Jamaica, yeah. Now she want Hollywood, yeah. Me give her Jamaica. Now she want, yeah she want, yeah. Me give her Jamaica, yeah. Now she want Hollywood, yeah. Me give her Jamaica. Now she want, yeah she want, give her Hollywood. Cause it's a state of mind.
This is the coconut tree right here. So the brown ones are the dry ones. Alright? And the green ones are the ones that you drink. You can drink these as well, you know. But some of them is not good to drink. But fresh and nice.
Yo, someone say the great again. We're not on time for years again. Yeah, so we're moving on, yeah, we got precisely. Yo. Moving on, no matter how them a chop we. Moving on, cause none of them can stop we. Moving on, you see the heat in a chop we. God about our side, none of them can trap we. From up his skull to Amaziyah, change my name and step up higher. Live like a Messiah, read a psalm, chant a prayer. From feeding them vampire, then we light them with the fire.
Yeah man, all those kids are my fans, they love permanent like wow. And the community and their kin. And even outside the community as well. So, and I'm on tour right now, my friends in Germany that's fly down just to do the tour to know Jamaica more. You know what I mean? Awesome friend. These friends I tour today, very special to me, definitely. Yeah, I hope you like the nature, the scenery, the greenness, all good. Beautiful, real Jamaica.
Dieser Platz ist wunderbar. Wir lieben ihn, wirklich.
Unbeschreiblich.
Echt wirklich schön. Traumhaft. Auch die Führung war großartig. Wir haben so viel erfahren, kennengelernt, wirklich.
I mean, what's up? They're saying this place is wonderful, they love it. The tour is very beautiful.
Big up, great amazement.
Big up, great amazement.
Alright, we are now leaving. The tour is over. Have a good day. It's very nice. So, this is Linda.
Bye, Linda. Okay, bye. Take care, alright?
Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen a watch me. God up on my side, none of them can trap me. Been so long since I stay long and wait. Now my blast off like a rocket in a space. What next, some boy, come and skin up them face. No try to compare, cause me don't have my space. Believe me, it grieve me never have it easy. Suffer from a small, no try to deceive me. Hear my direction, step towards my dreamy. No for clear, you true, them never get to mislead me. Moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on, moving on. I'll be moving on, no matter how them a shot me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen a watch me. God up on my side, none of them can trap me. Moving on, no matter how them a shot me. Moving on, cause none of them can stop me. Moving on, me see the heathen a watch me. God up on my side, none of them can trap me.
Precisely. Some of us make the youth them know, so yo, you got to hold your eye and keep moving on. And make no heathen come stop you. No way, no die. The same high, to the highest heights in life. Precisely.